In this episode, guys, we are reconditioning a bulb plate. We're gonna check the discharge bulb, and the suction read seems like it's in good condition. So before we remove the back plate, we need to clean it first. We're gonna use two types of steel brushes. Attach a steel cup brush in the grinder with a variable speed. Proceed cleaning the bulb plate. After cleaning, remove the two bolts in the back plate. Discharge valve should compose of 4 curved shims and 1 round shims. As you can see, the round shims is already damaged. And this one is the plastic bulb, but you can see there's a metal flakes attached on it. This is the second bulb, so the same content for curved shims, then 1 round shims. Round shims need to be replaced already. As you can see, both corners has already sign of wear down. Clean the bulb sheet with the steel brush attaching handrail. We're gonna do the final cleaning by sanding it by grade 800 sandpaper to remove those dark spots in the bulb plate. So guys, we already done cleaning it now. Right now, we're gonna install the discharge bulb kit. We need the torque wrench set at 5.5 Newton meter to torque the bulb. We need the Loctite thread locker 270. We're gonna apply 2 drops of thread locker to the bulb. Tighten the bolt with the torque wrench. The same procedure in the other bulb. So this is how we recondition the bulb plate. For more video, please subscribe, follow, and share my page. Thank you.